Hey guys, welcome back. So I have another delivery that just came in while I was filming my other unboxing, my previous unboxing, and it's from Bulk. So did I redeem myself? Let's find out. Okay, so gloves are on. Let me give you the details. So this is a Bath and Beauty box, brand new. I'm gonna say it one more time, brand new. Okay. This is a Bath and Beauty box, 73 items. I paid $182 plus shipping, puts me all in at $218. Okay. Let's see. So I got the box open and I have, let's see, exfoliating cutting ovals, 50 count. But I have, these are actually pretty decent actually. Ooh, this would be good for toning and stuff. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I can see some more in there that I cannot get to. Okay. Next we have Volcano Bath Bomb for light candle and float bath bomb. Oh, so it has a candle on the inside of it. And you know, you could just have it in the bath, I guess. I don't know how safe that would be though. But I have 1, 2, 3 of these that I can see. I have Village Naturals Aromatherapy Body Butter and Icelandic Moss Extract. Looks like that. And I have another one of those. This is Banana Boat Kids UVA UVB Protection Sunscreen Lotion in 50 SPF, and it comes with an additional sunscreen spray. This is the Philips shaving head replacement. This is the Cinderella Bath Bomb by Disney. Trio by, it looks like Kat Von D, but I don't think that's who it is. It's, oh no, it's Tattoo Junkie. Jergens Oil Infused Moisturizer and Coconut. Another Philips Norelco shaving head replacement. A bag of travel size styling spiking glue by Gatsby. A Mask Bar Gray Clay Wash Off Mask. Pond's 24 hour moisturizer. It's like a travel size. Maybelline lip liner in rich wine. Yes. And that box is empty. Now to the main box. More of these. Wall stainless steel. Hold that. Okay, so it has been untaped. And I'm going to have to see if it's been used. Okay, So this is the Wall stainless steel lithium ion hair cut trimmer. Brand new. Okay, I have about a gazillion more of these bath bombs. More of these body butters. And that's the last of these. So final thoughts. That was the quickest I've gone through a bulk box, okay? That was quick, but I'm glad that everything is in new condition. That, you know, Clipper, I'm glad that it is in new condition and that it's not, that everything's in it. Okay, I'm happy with it. I do think it could have went for a little bit less. I do think that because of what was in it, like, you know, because from a selling standpoint, but we gonna see what this does. I'm glad that everything was in new condition. Nothing wasn't really damaged outside of this being opened. So I will let bulk know, because this was open and it's supposed to be brand new. All the items were supposed to be brand new and this was open, but it looked like it was just cut open by accident. But all in all, I redeemed myself. I can flip this stuff and I'm happy. I am getting ready to sanitize everything and get the listing. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like to, leave a thumbs up for the video. Let me know that you like it. Leave a comment. I read all comments. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye.